Yo, what's up, guys? So today I'm going to be, you know, teaching you guys or showing you guys how I caught almost 350 pips trading gold last week. Okay, so this is gonna be a quick one. I won't waste much time making this video for you guys. Okay, so firstly, what we have to do, you have to identify the trend in the market. You have to identify the trend in the market. So how to identify your trend? You need to go to a higher time frame to do that, to know the direction of the market. Remember, the trend is your friend. So you need to use the higher time frame to know where the market is going, and then you execute with the lower time frame. So what I did was I came to my daily time frame and I mapped out my levels of supply and demand. Okay, you can actually use the rectangle tool, and you can actually use your horizontal line or your horizontal lay, to know where the market has been tested multiple times in the market. So like I said, I want to make this video a quick one and I won't waste much time. So as you can see, basically we have our support and our resistance zone over here. So basically, where you can see that the price have been tested multiple times in the market, where the price has tested multiple times in the market. So basically, you can see the support turn into resistance and resistance turn into support. So you can see that we have a zone here. Markets rejected, boom, to the upside. Market rejected here to the upside, it broke, came back to retest and bounced to the downside. So that's basically how you want to know that we have a very strong zone in the market. And as you can see, we have another zone here. We have here where market has been tested multiple times in the market. So basically that is what you're going to see, and that was how I knew that okay, we were I think we were somewhere here. Yeah. So I knew that okay, we broke above our supply level, and we will definitely come back to retest this level. So if you go to the lower time frame, you will see that yes, we retested this level and we're pushing to the next level. Remember, market moves from zone to zone. So I knew that we're gonna come back to this supply level over here. I knew we were coming back to this supply level over here. Here, let me just do this. Okay, so I knew we were coming back to that level. So what I did was I went down to I went down to my 4 hours chart, and I can still see that we are basically in a bullish trend. We're trending bullish. Okay, so this was basically where I caught those pips. Excuse me. This was basically where I caught those pips right here. I'm sorry I cannot use my replay mode on lower time frame. I need to subscribe, and I don't know what is wrong with my country's card. We can't pay to subscribe. So yeah, so this was the zone I caught those moves. So as you can see, basically we broke above our key level and we came back to retest the key level, and boom, to the upside. So I knew that why price is pushing to the upside, we will definitely have a pullback. Remember, the market doesn't just go straight up. No, the market doesn't go that way. you need to see a pullback, and then to the upside, a pullback to the upside, just like that. So that's how the market moves. So as you can see, there's no difference from the example I just gave and what is happening now in the market. So like I said, this was where I took my trade on gold. So what I did was I brought up my Fibonacci 2, and then I mapped out from the low to the high. So as you can see, I saw that market was rejecting around my 61.8 level. Market was rejecting around my 61.8 level, and I knew that yes, we are basically going to go up in the market. We're basically going to still push up in the market. And what I saw again, I saw that there was a resistance zone around here. There was a zone here. So as you can see, where price touched and touched again, yeah, you see a weak rejection and another rejection. So I knew that the price was going to push to the upside. So what I did was I went down to my 1 hour time frame to look for my entry signal. Yes, I couldn't see one on my 1 hour time frame, so I had to go lower. Remember guys, if you don't see an entry signal, you need to go lower to look for a chart pattern or a candlestick pattern. So basically I got my entry signal, and why I saw my entry signal after I've done my analysis, I decided to take my trade from this level, and my stop loss was below the lowest low at that moment, and my target was the previous high. So basically this was how I caught the trade without no excuse. I took this trade, and remember guys, this long momentum candle over here was the NFP news, but I wasn't scared because I know that my analysis was right. So that was how I caught this move, and I made a lot of profit trading this market. So basically, like I said, I don't want to make this video too long for you guys. So if you want to join my free Telegram group, I'm going to drop the link on the description below, and you can follow me on Instagram at Kid Blair, on TikTok at Nushi Gang, and let's just learn.